Okay, so we are using a Venn diagram to shade the region indicated. So we've got A prime intersect with B. When I do these types of problems, I do them in steps. So step one for me is to shade A prime. So I'm going to do that in one color. So I'll do that in blue. So A prime is going to be anything that's not A. So this is my A circle. So the one way to think of it is if I were to color in all of A and then invert it, that's what I'd be coloring. So A prime is this outside area. And this actually works better in paint because you can use that paint bucket to shade in this whole area. And it's also this portion of B. So this right here. So everything but that circle A. And then for the second step, with a new diagram, shade B. And the reason I'm doing this in multiple steps is so I can see what's happening between the two different figures. So here's my A, here's my B, here's the box, and here's the universe. I'm going to shade it in a new color. So I'm just going to shade B. So B is literally just this whole circle B. And so it's this area plus this overlap area because it's just this whole circle B. And then my step 3 is to find my A prime B. A prime intersects with B. So I'm going to draw a third Venn diagram. And because it's an intersection, that means we're looking for the overlap between step 1 and 2. So I'm just going to write that down to make it clear. Intersection. So just this symbol means we just want the overlap of A prime and B, or the overlap of step 1 and step 2. So I'm going to take a new color, orange, and I'm going to look at my two pictures and see where I have shading in both pictures. So notice in picture 1, the outside area is shaded, but it's not shaded in step 2. So the outside area is not going to be shaded. This intersection area right here is not shaded in 1, but it is shaded in 2. So because they don't both have it, I don't shade it. But this portion of B without that overlap is shaded in both. And so I'm going to shade this portion of B. So the portion of B that is not shared with A is all that I'm going to shade. And so that would be